warm greetings to everyone on the occasion of 76th Republic Day. Friends, we all know that on this day in the year 1950, the nation became republic. And republic means the power was transferred in the hands of the common man, the people like us. We got independence on 15th of August 1947, and our forefathers took almost 2 years to come with this constitution, which became the guiding force for taking the country forward. Republic means it's not a ordinary day. It should not be treated as another holy day, that 26th of January. All of us on this day should spare 5 or 10 minutes and understand the significance and the importance of this day. This day the Constitution came into force, and the Constitution provided that equal opportunity will be given to everyone. There will not be any discrimination on caste, creed or religion, and everyone will be equal in the eyes of the nation. And after today is on 76th Republic Day. If we look back and see how country has progressed and traveled, the basis of all the developmental activities, all the activities, everything which we are proud of today, the basis, the foundation of all these things have been this Constitution, which gives equal right to everyone. And all of us should take every step, do everything possible to make this Constitution strong, to make the nation strong. Any nation, like I said that 1947 we got independence from Britishers, but the rule of law, the regulation, the guidelines, the norms, everything came into existence on this day in 1950. And by meticulously complying with and following the guidelines, the tenets of Constitution, the country has progressed. And the power of this day can be understood by the fact that every 5 years in this nation, in our great nation, election happens, and the transfer of power happens without any murmur, without any dispute. And it has been happening since 1947, the day we got independence. And if you look at the other nations and the things happening in the world, in and around the world, you can see that ours is the only democracy where every 5 years, repeatedly, election happens. It happens without any controversy, without any dispute, and the transfer of power, it also happens seamlessly. The basis of this, of course, lies in the fundamentals of Constitution. Similarly, as IOBians, I would like to draw a parallel here. As IOBians, we are guided by the rules and regulations of the regulator, of the owner, the internal principles, the internal policies, and while we all are supposed and required to do business, the entire business activity has to happen by meticulous compliance of the guidelines and regulations. Any country, any nation, any individual cannot become great if there is no discipline.